Are we thinking connected, or will we be disconnected in the near future and left behind? Connectivity is a megatrend that refers to the increasing interconnectivity of people, devices and systems globally, driven by advancements in technology and communication networks. It includes the seamless exchange of information, ideas and resources across various platforms and geographical boundaries. In the oil and gas industry, connectivity will revolutionize operations through real-time monitoring and control systems. For example, IoT sensors embedded in pipelines can provide continuous data on flow rates and pressure, enabling predictive maintenance and reducing downtime. Additionally, remote monitoring and control technologies allow for the management of drilling operations from centralized locations, improving efficiency and safety. Furthermore, connectivity facilitates collaboration and knowledge sharing among industry stakeholders, leading to innovation in exploration techniques and sustainable practices. Overall, connectivity is poised to transform the oil and gas sector by optimizing processes, enhancing safety, and drive innovation. In this short series of videos, we will look at selected trends within the megatrend connectivity that could be relevant for business decisions with a short and mid-term time horizon. By doing that, I will also put a special emphasis on my home industry, the oil and gas or energy segment, and try to show how this trend has already materialized or could shape the future of our industry. The selection of trends is based on the work of German trend research company Zukunftsinstitut, which I personally like, but keep in mind that this is just one view of what might impact us in the future. Augmented reality, AR, has emerged as a transformative trend, bridging the physical and digital worlds in various industries and creating a mixed reality. In the oil and gas sector, AR has materialized in innovative ways to enhance operational efficiency and safety. The real environment is overlaid with graphics, audio, or text-based information in real time, using digital applications, such as maintenance instructions displayed in the field of vision via smart glasses. Consider this. The oil and gas industry, as some other industries as well, is facing a serious business challenge. Experienced on-the-ground staff is retiring. This causes a drain of skills and knowledge in handling complex assets like compressors, engines, and more. Augmented reality can help here, and we see startups providing solutions addressing this challenge. One well-known industry use case is what Gartner would refer to as the augmented connected workforce. On the ground, maybe even inexperienced field technicians are wearing glasses or using tablets, utilizing the built-in camera to show a challenge at hand to a remote expert. From a distance, the expert can guide the technician by digitally marking parts or by walking the person on site through to the solution. Our hyper-connected world, with its high level of complexity and constant surprises, requires playfulness. A playful way of thinking and acting, open-ended, explorative experimentation, a trial and error mentality, and seeing failure as an opportunity are what make up the playful approach through which we learned complex things as children. This playfulness needs to be reactivated in all areas of adulthood and business. I would say playfulness expresses two needs. One, the need for a modern innovation culture in the B2B area, including lean development, rapid prototyping, and early customer validation. Playing with ideas. Two, the need for gamification and a playful way of exploring new products and services. offering a fun way to harness new digital solutions that are changing the way people currently work. Especially this has the potential to overcome barriers of adoption in the daily life. Okay, let's look at the oil and gas industry. Especially here, we need to keep in mind that people in the field working on machines, pipelines, and other assets are mostly technicians and used to work with hardware and mechanical tools. Well, first, also here, digital natives are slowly taking over. But second, a playful approach would help non-digital natives who kind of have to deal with digitalization to overcome the barriers of working with digital tools. Yes, first, the digital tool needs to provide value to users, but gamification, incentivation, etc. certainly needs to be considered when designing new digital solutions, especially for the oil and gas industry. Crowdsourcing relies on the wisdom and knowledge of the many and refers to the outsourcing of traditionally internal company tasks to a group of voluntary users or a specific online community. The aim is usually to generate new service or product ideas, solve specific problems, drive decision making, or gain inspiration. Oil and gas companies could utilize crowdsourcing to gather geological data from a wider range of sources, improving the accuracy of exploration efforts and identifying new reserves more efficiently. Additionally, crowdsourcing platforms will enable real-time monitoring of environmental impacts, leveraging community input to detect and address issues like pollution and habitat disturbance. In innovation, crowdsourcing can help to gather customer pain points or digital product ideas globally. We need to acknowledge that the most promising way to be successful is to leverage the collective intelligence, expertise, and resources of the entire team, wherever people are based. Collective intelligence is the key, not headquarters opinion. Also, decision-making for innovation initiatives can benefit from this trend. Modern companies let their people vote or even let them virtually allocate funds to individual projects. The project that convinces the crowd gets the funds. A very integrative and democratic approach, within boundaries of course, but that could lead to a new company culture, away from old school and mainly hierarchy-based decision-making. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the network of interconnected devices embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies, enabling them to collect and exchange data. This trend is revolutionizing various industries by enhancing efficiency, productivity, and automation. It includes all kinds of devices and cyber-physical systems, whether industrial plants, medical equipment, wearables, vehicles, individual sensors, or entire buildings. In the energy industry, for example, IoT sensors make it obsolete to collect data manually, especially if your natural gas compressor station, your well, or your wind turbine is far out in the middle of nowhere. IoT-enabled drones can inspect remote infrastructure, improving operational efficiency and reducing risk associated with manual inspections. We can say the Internet of Things facilitates predictive maintenance of equipment, optimizing production efficiency and ensuring worker safety. Overall, IoT is reshaping industries by enabling seamless connectivity and data-driven decision-making, leading to improved processes and outcomes.